Hey guys, welcome back to Learn the Thumbnail. Today's Excel tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the filter formula in Microsoft Excel. So before, in the older versions of Excel, this formula was not available as there was a tool in the home ribbon called the sort and filter, and it was ideally used for any kind of filtration or sorting. But now in the Microsoft 365 there is a new formula that is called filter. So here in this video I'm going to show you what is the major difference between both the tool and the formula, and how this new formula has more advanced feature compared to the old one. So here, as you can see, that I have this very long data available to filter out the books that have the genre of only fiction. In this formula there are three things that I need to include. First is the array, which is the range, then the include, which means to provide the specific thing I want the formula to filter out, and then if that specific criteria is not available in that cell, then what should the Excel do? Let's start by getting the array, which is the range I want to. I'm going to click on B3, which is the first point of my data. Now I'm going to come down and hold your shift key and directly click on E32. People prefer to have it in the driveway or directly put in the references. Let me know in the comment section, what do you do? I usually prefer this way because it is more easy. The next thing the formula is asking is include. So what is the criteria I want the formula to filter out? So in this situation we have our genre. Again, click on the first cell, which is D3, and go down, hold your shift key and directly click on D32, and the entire row that I want to scan has been selected. Now I want to give the command that only include or filter out anything that is equal to the fiction. Now, as for the final thing, what do I want the formula to do if the cell is empty or it is not equal to the fiction? I'm going to add the none. Now just simply press enter, and it's telling me all the movies or the books that are in the fiction category, the genre as. Now, one point where this formula differs from that option of sort and filter is that now if it was that tool that was the old tool for the sort and filter, then I would, if I want to added my data, then I would have to undo all the filtration and re-edit the data and then do the whole thing again. Whereas in this formula, now just for example, I am changing this category, this genre to fiction. Now this filtered data has included this specific name, as well as now this one is included in the fiction. So whenever you're changing your data, if you're using it for other purposes, for work purposes, this can be more useful. Comment below and let me know how many of you are using this new formula in Microsoft Excel. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more related content. Thank you.